area I throw salute. Now they welcome for going Pidgin after match. Talk how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, turn on the notification so that I go to notify you anytime when we drop Ubunge doings for inside the YouTube lifestyle and across all the different social media platforms. Leeds United 0 and Manchester United 2, and we get Oga Godwin. We'll be like saying, Ubunge United fan, Ubunge Man U fan, make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Godwin, now how you see your team performance today?
100%. Yes. When I first come inside, since from when I dey come from house, now they tell my guys and say this match today we go win am. You understand? Even when I come inside, my fans they make me sit down with Manchester fan like me. They dey watch the first half, their mind dey beat. They say Leeds fit win us, so I say bros, forget. Say na so dem bin do that first leg. First half sef, they score. But when man you say okay, Mo show them say na United will be, say na so it be. I even predict the match 2-0. Say this man na 2-0. My fan dey tell me, my own colleague dey tell me say no. Say if na 2-0, that means say na league go get am. I laugh and tell am say no worry. Mind you, say once the coach just make him normal changes wey dey always make, say the ball go change. Say na so me I believe the match. I get that confidence say man you go win this second leg.
So now who be your man of the match?
Na Rashford o. Rashford performance this season e still dey shock me till now like this. Even as we dey watch the match, when Rashford first dey play side wing, I say make second half reach now, because I know say anything make second half reach, say dem must carry Rashford go that strikes, and when anything make am enter that strike, must score, because you know since we come back from World Cup, Rashford never disappoint my hope. He dey always deliver. He must score one goal each match, so I believe am for that one. And man of the match na him I give.
All right, I'm going to talk about Garnacho now. Young player, you understand? Player will be like, say, you still dey grow, you still dey improve in play. You as a Man U fan, how you dey see the workings wey Garnacho dey show?
Garnacho today, he shocked me. Because last match, wetin Garnacho play, he played that football of fear, as if say, na him first time to come inside England to come play ball. He played that fear, but today he shocked me. I can't see and say today match they can't get confidence. Even the defender be say been dey use and dey shine last match. He don't fit come even hold am this time around. He show am wetin carry for body. That guy go do well. He don dey pick up from where Ronaldo stop. I give am that credit.
So how you dey see the title race? Because you na one person wey they talk say make Arsenal look their back, say una dey come. You don't always dey talk am. So but now how you dey see the title race? Arsenal drop points yesterday. Man, you don't move go second until Oga Man City go play, because we know say Man City, they no be small children, they no be child's play. How you dey see the title race this season?
Till tomorrow, I still dey tell Arsenal the same thing. Arsenal more na fear our return. If Man City fit win today, fit to make dem know say Arsenal and dem na another big race wey be say all those things dem now dey use recover, because I know say our next match we dey win am, so they use that one now dey use come close to Arsenal. So I still dey tell Arsenal dem say if dem no buckle up well, wetin man dey carry come na to collect like 3 trophy this season o. Make dem fear our return. I still dey tell Arsenal fans dem anywhere dem dey, make dem fear our return. Make dem no just relax think say they don carry points well, dem come leave Man U. Because Man U, wetin Man U dey carry come na to collect that Premier League. E don tey who see that league.
So what about Harry Maguire? I'm going to talk about this guy, because we know say many times people they, how I call them, they give am sticks, they blast them normally for social media everywhere, say him no dey try, him dey lose guard where. How you see Maguire performance today?
Well, see that Maguire, na since from last match, now first
They look
am one kind eye, but as he enter, he can't give me one kind hope. Say Maguire wey even me say na me blast and pass, he don pick this kind form. Maguire come dey get confidence, no dey fear again. Striker go come, if na Maguire body dey shake, but now he dey get that confidence, he dey bring out ball, but he still dey pick up. Na be only thing, and I will still tell my fellow Man U fans say make dem give am that credit of that. As he don pick up like the move, see the next 3 matches how him go play, because he don try. At least now, even if Martinez no dey, if you watch Maguire ball, he still try. As a couple Martinez come support am, the defense e come close final, so I give am that credit today.
All right now, Oga Godwin, thank you for your time. My country people, now una lawyer boy across wey dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you no forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform dey for the description for inside this video.